Myself Sagar Baheti, father of Sara Baheti. On behalf of this Women's Day, I want to share a small speech about my wife. I am working in a pharmaceutical industry, and this comes under the emergency services during this pandemic situation, so I have to go to the office regularly. Last year I had tested positive for the COVID-19, so I am scared a little bit, but I choose the home quarantine option for myself. So during this home quarantine period of 26 days, my wife supported me morally with the positive thinking, and we have successfully overcome over this situation. During this period, she has taken an extreme care of me and also take precaution that other family members should not get infected. During this period, she manages activities such as Sara's online classes or day-to-day activity, routine activity, or anything which is required from outside so efficiently. At that time, I realized that I cannot manage the situation as effective as my wife. One thing I want to tell about my wife that she is very positive during any situation and encourages me to think positively. I want to tell all the men that they should respect women, inspire them, encourages them that they should do all they want. They contribute evenly to our home, society and nation. I thank Magic Pitara that they give me the opportunity to talk on Women's Day on this forum. I congratulate Principal Madam that they set the example how to get succeed in life for the women's. Happy Women's Day to all of you. Thank you very much.